everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I'm going to share with you guys my recipe on Agua de Fresa. These are my ingredients. We're going to start out with our strawberries. I have 15 strawberries here, and we're going to need some water and some sugar, and that's it. We're going to have fresh water in less than 5 minutes. In this blender, I have 3 cups of water, and I'm going to add my strawberries, and I'm just going to add them whole. I don't need to cut them in half. If you want to, you can. And then I'm going to blend it. And I'm going to add it to my pitcher. Perfect. I'm going to add some sugar. Remember, the sugar is always to taste. I'm going to add some, and then I'll try it and see if it's good. If not, I'll add some more. I'm going to add a little more. Better. And that's how easy it is to make agua de fresa. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and try it at home. If you guys try it, please let me know how it worked out. Don't forget to go to my page, like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, do so you can be part of the Modern Mom Ali family, okay? I'll see you guys very soon. Keep your notifications on and enjoy.